Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how can you make your own cheap amplifier which sound like this. Sounds great, right? So let's start the video and see how to make it. I am using this PAM8610 amplifier board, which is a 15 plus 15 watt on 4 ohm load stereo amp board. We have these pads for the left speaker and this one for the right speaker, this one for turning on off the board, and this one for the power supply, and this one for the audio input. Here I am using these Samsung 3 ohm 10 watt speakers. You will also need a headphone jack. This is the pin out of it. I will quickly connect it to the amplifier board to the corresponding pins. Now I will solder wire for the left speaker and the right speaker. Here I will give 12 volt from my lab bench power supply. See, it's already working. Now I will connect my Bluetooth module to it and power it with a power bank. Now I will play music and see how well does it work. Hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.